Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a vlog. This is my first vlog, by the way, and today we are going to our farmland where we do paddy farm. As you can see, this is not ours, by the way, and today I'm gonna show you our paddy farm. And today is Sunday and our school is off, so that's why I came here with my mama. It's so important to take a break like this, it's so peaceful. There is no traffic, no noise, there is nothing like that, and it's so peaceful and good to visit. It makes me calm, makes me feel so calm. And yeah, and what else do you guys want me to say? Let me show you the field. This is so scenic, and yeah, see, this is all our paddy fields, and the works are already done, and we are just here to explore, to see our lands, that how they are growing, the harvest. Oh, sorry, I take the wrong way. So let us go, and let me show you how we are going. See, this is the small road. As you can see, it is so hot today, guys. The sun is out and so hot. I don't know if I'm looking good or not in the camera. So look at this. This is so beautiful to look at, and I'm already tired because it's too far from our home, but this place is worth it, guys. This is worth it for visiting. I was about to fall, but it's okay. I have to be more careful because I am making the vlog and I couldn't see where I am walking. Okay, so hot. I'm so tired. See, this is the view. This is so peaceful. The wind is so cool, and yeah, this is what the heck. This looks so pretty. See, there are birds, and this is what you can see. And this is where we grow mushrooms, and they taste so good. And tell me, do you like mushrooms or not? Okay, so now we are going to our own farmland, and let me take you there with me, and let's explore this beautiful view. It's kind of hard though to come here because it's too far. See, so this is our field. This is and the upper one, and there are also we have our field, and also there. And this is so scenic, guys. This is so green, as you can see. I love this place. So hey guys, as you can see, we are going back home, and I'm so exhausted. We have to walk so much now, and as you can see, I had brought an umbrella because it is too sunny. And yeah, as you can see, let's go home. And guys, I'm not making videos recently because I'm so busy with my school work. You know, I'm in 12th standards in second year right now, so it's really important for me to study. I can't skip it, so that's why I'm not making many videos this month. But don't worry about it, I will make videos soon, okay? Just for you guys, because you are learning English, you want to learn English. My hands is hurting. I have to stop vlogging, guys, so I'll say bye. I'll see you later.